Darwinian Ventures has come in and helped us look at all of the processes and tools that we've been using in our sales organization, and they are optimizing all of those tools, helping us find more efficient tools and state-of-the-art technology and methodologies to enhance our sales organization to enable us to grow at a much more rapid rate. I think there is so much value in having an independent person or party come in and take a look at your organization and the way you work. Darwinian has come in with no biases, an incredible work ethic. They stand behind what they say and what they prove, and they prove it out in the results. And they're a phenomenal group to work with. I would highly recommend working with them.
The one thing I would say to any business owner is adaptability and evolving is absolutely paramount. There's always a way forward and there's always a way to grow your business, and we'd love to be a part of it.